Until now, you had to manually look for conversations that were about to breach or had missed their SLA targets. Now, you can use workflows to automate conversations when SLAs are due soon, overdue, or manually dismissed. Let's learn how to set this trigger to automate responses. Create a new workflow and select Conversation SLA as the trigger. Choose the SLA event. You can pick between due soon, overdue, or SLA dismissed. You can also add optional filters such as message channel, tags, owner, or custom fields. Now follow along to manage which users are allowed to manually dismiss SLA timers. Go to Conversation Settings. Under Who can manually dismiss SLA from conversations, select All users or Admins only, then save your changes. Any user with access to dismiss the SLA can click the timer in the center panel to do so. Instead of relying on users or managers to monitor SLA timers, define exactly what should happen when these events occur, without excessive notifications using the Avoid Repeated Triggers option, ensuring conversations are properly dismissed without harming customer satisfaction. We hope you enjoy it.